Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and in this video we are going to fix some bugs. Okay, so the first bug is if you have your window in your level and the location set value is not 0, then the zombies will glitch and they will spawn to the set 0 value. So yeah. Some of you might have fixed this already because I posted a fix to the Discord server like a few weeks ago. But yeah, let's fix it for the others also. So yeah, let's get started. Let's go to the blueprints folder, and from the blueprints folder we want to go to the enemy folder, and we want to go to the pp enemy main. And on the pp enemy main, what we want to do here, we want to go to the event graph, and then we want to find our move to not that, rotate window, vault over window, a custom event. So this one, and we want to move to the right where we have this vault timeline. We want to do a little fix here. So what we want to do here is we actually want to get the window. Oh, sorry, we have the first create. Okay, so let's move all this timeline and this code to the right. Let's leave some space here. Okay, like that. And what we want to do now is we want to get the window ref. Then we want to get the get world location. Get world location default scene root, like this. Okay. And from here we want to split this. And we want to promote the set value to a variable. Like this. Let's rename it to window set value, for example. Okay, something like that. And now what we want to do, we want to come here. We want to move these a little bit further down. And what we want to do, we want to get from the height movement, we want to add to it, so plus, add this. And we want to add the window set value to it. So let's get it to here and connect it to the plus node. And from here, we want to connect this to the A set and also to the B set. So yeah, that's basically it. And also we want to delete this old line from here, like that. So that's done. Let's compile and save all. The next thing we want to fix, actually we can close this pp enemy main. So the next thing we want to fix is when we have upgraded our weapon and we want to stab, the knife also has the camo or the material of the upgraded weapon. So for example, now we have this pink pistol, and if we stab, you can see the knife also has the same camo. And if we normal, actually I will get some points. If we have some unupgraded weapon, the knife will be normal. Okay, so let's fix that. We want to go to the blueprints folder and to the pp first person character. Let's open it. And I have a lot of these open here. I will close all of them except the event graph. And now on the event graph, we want to go to the begin play node. So it's here. And here at the end, what we want to do, nothing actually yet. First we have to add the knife mesh here. So let's go to the hand mesh. Let's select it and let's add a skeletal mesh. Let's call this knife mesh, for example. Now let's select the knife mesh from here. So knife underscore B. After that, we want to scroll down to here, to the rendering, where we have the visible. Let's set it to false. Okay, I will compile and save. And now on the begin play here, what we want to do, we want to get the knife mesh, and also we want to get the hands mesh, and we want to get from the hands mesh, and we want to attach actor to attach component to component like this, and we want to actually connect this hands mesh to the parent like that, and we want to got this target link like that, knife to the target. Okay, let's connect here, and now we want to select the socket name, which should be the one that we have here on our step function. So let's see, here it's knife with capital K, so let's set it to 10. So, knife. Then the location rule should be snap to target, rotation rule snap to target, scale rule snap to target, like that. Now we can compile and save all again. Now we want to go to the knife, stabbing event. And here on the, here we have this, before this play, actually we don't have to do, this can be here. So we are setting the weapon mesh to invisible before we play the stabbing montage. And when we play the stabbing montage, what we want to do here, we want to actually delete this attach component to component and also this set skeletal mesh assets, like that. So, and also this weapon mesh reference from here. So we now only have this set visibility to true. And now we want to get the knife mesh. We want to connect this to the target. So we're setting the weapon mesh to the false, to the invisible, and to the knife mesh visible when we start the stabbing montage or when the notify plays. So yeah, we can get all of these and move them closer like this. And also we will have to change some things from up here. So where we have this set weapon stats, we can delete it and we can move this a little bit further right. Okay. Now we want to first get the knife mesh, and we want to set visibility, and we want to set it to false because this is on the blend out. So yeah, we will set the knife invisible again, and after that we want to actually, let's move this even further like this. So after that we want to set the weapon mesh to visible. Set visibility. Sorry, I haven't worked with Unreal that much lately, so I don't remember all the things. Yeah, and this should be true. So now we are basically setting the weapon to invisible, knife to visible, and after the animation has played, we will set them back as they were. So yeah, it should work. So let's compile and save all. And let's go and try. So let's go to upgrade the weapon. And now when we stab, yeah, the knife is normal. Let's actually try something else. Yes, it's normal. So yeah, it's working. Yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And hope you have a great day and see you in the next one.